Pero malapit na kasi. Wala.
Cute. Ano to? Ganting camel. Giant. Giant na camel yan. Ay, dumilim. Ano naman to?
Yan ang oryx.
Ano yung oryx? Oh.
Yan yung oryx. Yan ako snake. Scorpio. Ito, oryx. Scorpio. Diba?
Ayun yung oryx, oh.
Tapos meron ano, wolf. Wolf?
Ano yung mga wolf? Wolf ito? Oh, ayun oh. Ayun, ayun pa.
Ano ba yan?
Ito.
Wolf ba?
Uy. Eh, nakatakot. Black lady. At ano yung ginagawa nila kuya?
Chanchay.
Sila kuya.
Chanchay.
Kamusta po? Luto na. Si ano?
وظل كمان انه الصقر جدا جوعان ها
Dyan lang nakatira.
Ganyan lang yung bahay nila dati.
Oo.
Ganun. Mag-ara ano? Tapos dito,
Nasa ano lang, sulok-sulok.
ayun no? Ano yan?
Mamay.
Mining na.
Mining sila.
Mining.
Bato-bato. Yun bato.
Nagma-mining nga. Mining. Mining. Ayun na. Si Baba.
Once mine, the copper ore was heated to separate the copper from the ore. A
Bato-bato
process
lang.
known as smelting.
Galing ah.
Molten liquid copper was poured into molds to make tools, weapons, and jewelry.
Lawak
Once
ba?
they passed through, they were hammered to shape.
Ito, nag-aaral na sila.
Turn down, please, children. Turn to page 17. Can anybody tell me what they see here? Ahmed?
May isda, may isda.
My great-grandfather was a slave driver. He could hold his breath for ages. He taught me to swim and dive.
In the last century, huge fleets of foreign vessels set out from Abu Dhabi every summer. The departure of the fleet was a major event. Families would leave their countries while they were overseas. Some of them were fire. The divers were waiting
May aquarium.
to the shallow banks
I'm a fish. I'm a fish.
dangerous
Wala.
with stinging
Walang fish.
sharp
Ay, meron maliliit.
might establish a permanent support to keep their spirits up and in hand with joy, to inspire the birds, leading them all
Laki yung aquarium.
along each stage of the work. Since oil was more than 4 years
Ako iniinom.
Kasi na iniinom niya. Kung ano? Ano ginagawa?
Iniinom ko, nagpapicture.
Parang may... Galing.
Di ba, hindi mo alam to?
Ay, may tao, may tao.
They were moving
Ayun o.
Kung ito yata yung ano, yung malalim na ba nun? Di ba yun?
Ah,
Dinadive nila?
yung ano?
Hindi. Iba yun.
Ayun o. Ano yan?
Nahanap.
Ba't may chopper? So good. Tara. Pidrin mo siya ng oil. Ng oil.
Oil naman, ano?
and other tradition extracting food from the
Yeah.
These items are already in the
Yung facilities.
every day at offshore and offshore production facilities. But even this small industry, they use well guided, healthy living and down the plastic nowadays massive factories are being transport the oil and gas to the rest of the world.
Ayan o. Galing o. Oh, ikot tayo, ikot.
Abu Dhabi today is an emirate to be proud of.
Wow.
There is so much dynamic life. Business streets,
Sabay-sabay.
shopping malls, markets, hotels,
Sabay.
Hindi nga.
beautiful mosques,
Ayun na.
magnificent mountains.
Wow. Hamdan. Ito yung Hamdan. Ayan o. Wow. Oh, ang galing o. Wow. Wow. Building. Dahil sakyan o. May ilaw eh. And then si ano, Abdullah. Sulit, no?